In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create experiments in Google Ads. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to choose the right options so you can test ideas confidently and make smarter decisions with your budget. First, open your Google Ads account and look to the left bar. Click Campaigns, and then select Experiments. This takes you to the dedicated area where all your tests live. Think of this page as your control center. It's where you'll see the experiments you create, their status, and a quick snapshot of how they're doing. If you don't immediately see experiments, make sure the left menu is expanded so all options are visible. From here, click the plus icon to create a new experiment. This is your starting point for setting up a clean, structured test without risking major changes to your main campaigns. The interface will guide you step by step so you can focus on what you want to learn rather than worrying about the mechanics. First, choose the experiment type. If you want broad flexibility, a custom experiment is great for testing things like bidding strategies, budgets, keywords, or audiences. If your goal is to compare ad messaging at scale, an ad variation helps you test creative differences such as headlines, descriptions, and assets across selected campaigns. Pick the type that aligns with your objective, so your results are easy to interpret. Then, select the variable to test. Keep it specific and focused so you can clearly attribute any performance changes. For example, test one bidding strategy against another, try a new landing page, or compare two different ad messages. Isolating a single variable reduces noise and gives you more reliable insights. If you're unsure, choose the variable that most directly supports your primary KPI, whether that's conversions, cost per acquisition, or click-through rate. After that, continue along the setup process to create your experiment. You'll typically provide a clear name and description, choose the campaigns involved, define how the test should run, and confirm your preferences. Use a name that makes the purpose obvious. Set a reasonable time frame to gather enough data, and avoid making edits mid-test unless absolutely necessary. Throughout this flow, the platform will indicate what's required, so nothing gets missed. That's all. You've navigated to experiments, created your test with the plus icon, chosen the right type, picked a focused variable, and finished the setup. Once it's running, you can return to the experiments page to watch performance and learn what works best for your account.